The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.
Hi, I'm Jeff Snyder, Director of Recycling for Rumpke Waste and Recycling. While bagging up your garbage is a great way to move your trash from inside your house to outside into the trash bin, bags are less than ideal when it comes to your recyclables. When you recycle, your items need to be loose in the bin, not bagged. That makes it easier for us to see and evaluate and easier to separate the different kinds of recyclables from each other. It helps prevent valuable material from being lost and sent to the landfill. And most importantly, it's much safer for our employees. Bags themselves can create unwanted and potentially dangerous conditions in the separation process. Plastic bags tend to get wrapped up into our equipment, causing inefficiencies in the collection process, machine shutdowns, machine breakdowns, and potential physical injury. Because we can't recycle these bags in our plant, we encourage you to take them to a grocery store near you where they will get them into the proper facility. You should also consider moving away from plastic bags when you shop and use multi-use bags instead. We work hard at Rumpke to ensure that all the acceptable material we collect is processed properly for future use. The list of items that you can recycle at your home is always changing. For more of the latest information about recycling and other useful tips, visit rumpke.com, the recycling leader.
The Ways and Whys of Recycling is sponsored by Rumpke, the recycling leader.